Once you've completed designing and building your coder form, you'll want to use it for coding. To initiate coding mode, click on the Code option button in the toolbar. When you first switch from design mode to code mode, you will notice that the interface changes to a greyed out appearance. You will see in the code mode toolbar that you will have a coding timer, a start and stop button, a switch for network connection, and a coding history hide and reveal button. You'll also see that the coding history event log has popped up. To start a coding session, click on the Start button. You'll see the coding timer will start. When I click on a button, you will notice in the coding history that a start time has been logged. When I click it again, an end time has been logged. At any time during the coding session, you can watch those events being coded. You may also edit those events simply by clicking on the coding history and manually updating the timestamps. A second feature of the coding history is the ability to add and remove tags. Here I'm coding into event A and B with the various tags, and I can go into the history, select the tag, and either delete it by clicking the minus symbol or click on the plus symbol to add or insert a tag. I can also remove events or manually add an event. One trick you should note here is that event B has two pop-up tags. These pop-up tags will not show up for any other button because they are exclusive to event B. The coding history log can be hidden or revealed by clicking on the button in the toolbar. To stop the coding, press the Stop button. You'll be asked to save the file, and here you can choose the output format. Choose Timeline to output your coding for Sports Tech GameBreaker. Choose Sports Code XML if you'll be exporting your coding into a sports code application. Or choose comma-separated value if you're going to use this in a product like Excel or Numbers. Then save your file.